In 1869, Isaac B. Kleinert founded Kleinert Incorporated in College Point, New York. Back then, it was called I.B. Kleinert Rubber Company. Isaac was a genius inventor and a savvy businessman, creating well-known products we still use today, such as shower caps, shower curtains, dress shields, garment shields, waterproof baby pants, and sanitary pants. From the late 1800s to the 1950s, the company expanded onto the international scene with factories in the United States, United Kingdom, Canada, and Australia. During World War II, Kleinert even made rubber life rafts for the United States Air Force. In the 1970s to the 1990s, Kleinert's kept growing, making children's blanket sleepers, playwear, footwear, and their famous personal protection products. They were a key supplier for many department stores and discount retailers across the United States. When the internet took off in the mid-1990s, Kleinert developed a website to sell directly to consumers. They kept serving retail stores, distributors, and their new online shoppers. Since 2003, Kleinert has increased their online presence and added new products for excessive sweating, hyperhidrosis, and incontinence. Now they serve thousands of customers worldwide, including Disney, Broadway shows, movie sets, the United States Cadets at West Point, choirs, operas, uniform companies, and online shoppers. Kleinert is based in Elba, Alabama, where they employ American workers and make all of their products in the USA. They aim to enhance their customers' lives with products that save money, extend clothing life, and boost confidence. Kleinert is always on the hunt for new fabrics and designs. They have patents for ingenious products like Fabri-Pel, an advanced fabric treatment that makes materials water-resistant, stain-resistant, and odor-resistant. They also have a patent for a hyperhidrosis treatment called the Sweat Shield Ultra, a 15% aluminum chloride wipe approved by the FDA and dermatologists. With a bright future ahead, Kleinert continues to innovate and improve lives around the world.